Hi, I'm Representative Jean-Paul Coussan, and I represent Louisiana House District 45 in Lafayette. I want to thank the employees of one of the hospitals in my district, Lafayette General Medical Center, for improving the health in our community. This video focuses on the care they provided to Grace, a local high school student who suffered a traumatic brain injury after an accident. I thank them for their role in Grace's remarkable recovery.
So when we arrived at the hospital, the neurosurgeon came to meet us in the consult room and explained to us that Grace had suffered a severe traumatic brain injury in which almost every lobe of her brain was damaged, and they put a shunt into her head that relieved the pressure in her brain. Grace's face was completely crushed. Her head was completely crushed from the back to the front. And the surgeons were able to completely repair the left side of her face. When they took her up to the ICU, the staff there were amazing. They wouldn't let us give up hope. They continued to take care of her and treat her as if she was going to get up and walk out of that bed at any time.
She just started getting better out of nowhere. She just turned around and she started moving. I remember going to see her when she was down in Peds before they sent her to New Orleans. And she was still not talking, but trying to communicate a little bit. And Mandy was talking to her, and Grace gave her an "I love you" while I was standing there, and I had to walk out of the room because I was almost in tears. I mean, it was a miracle.
She's now amazing Grace. She is back at school, and she's back in her regular classes, and she's back on the soccer field. And to go from a child that they thought would never walk again, never speak, and she had to be taught to breathe again and to eat again and to walk again, and now she's living a full life. We never would have experienced that without Lafayette General.
One of the things that our staff and physicians do a great job of is reducing anxiety and explaining to the families what's going on while providing excellent care to the patient. And so I'm honored to be able to lead an organization with such high quality caregivers that are taking care of the sickest patients, the most high acuity patients in South Central and Southwest Louisiana.
Again, I want to thank the entire staff, administration, and the doctors at Lafayette General for helping Grace and for providing excellent life-saving care to our community.